Alright, so today we're making some fried long beans with shrimp. I'll start off with sauteing garlic. Just a little bit piece of pepper there. Got it by accident, but anyway, we're gonna saute the garlic. Alright, I'm gonna add some shrimp in.
Guys, this is wild caught shrimp. The big jumbo size. And as you guys know by now, we love shrimp. And here's a package of that shrimp that we got from Costco, Kirkland brand. Yep. You guys can try it out. It tastes amazing. And no, we're not getting paid for this here. We're just showing you guys.
Alright, we're gonna add some garlic, some scallions and celery, and pepper. Turn that up. So this is long beans or bora. We're gonna fry that up with some shrimp.
And guys, if you guys want a recipe for this fish, here it is. Fish curry. We're gonna upload it. Pretty good catfish, gilbasa, whatever you call it, with okra. He's cooking up in there. I was cooking some bora and shrimp. And yeah.
Okay. To that, I'll add my long beans. Add some long beans, aka bora. And we're gonna put some potatoes in it as well. Momentarily, I'll add the potatoes. To get all of it. Okay, let's turn this.
You had seasoned the shrimp before, right?
Yeah, just salt and black pepper, some garlic powder, onion powder, and I put a little bit of red wine vinegar. We have no sazon. As you guys know, I love sazon. I put sazon in everything, but we ran out of sazon, so we will do without sazon today. Alright, we shall be back. Let this bora cook up a little bit, and I'll show you guys in a bit what it looks like. Alright, so we're gonna check this Bora out. Just gonna add some potatoes in here. Cook up. And we're gonna turn it.
Can't go wrong with Bora and shrimp and potatoes.
Yeah. I like bunje or dry curry Bora and shrimp, but we're already making curry gilbaka today, so can't have two curry. So we'll do the fry. Yep. So I'm gonna let that cook. We'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back checking on this Bora here. Looks amazing. Pardon the way the potatoes are cut, but that's the way we like it, so you can make it smaller. So to this, I'm going to add some crushed pepper seeds. The spicier the better in this household. A little bit of black pepper. I'm gonna add some salt. A little bit of thyme, teeny bit of basil, and some tomatoes, and let that cook up. Okay, find it. Make sure that seasoning gets in here evenly distributed. How it smells, honey?
Smells really good.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna let this steam cook for a few more minutes.
It should be done.
Yeah, I will let the tomatoes cook up and so on, and we will be back to show you the finished product.
Very easy and simple recipe.
Easy,
Try it
easy.
out.
Easy peasy.
Yep.
Alright guys, so here we are. We're just gonna add a little bit more salt to taste. That's all it's needed because we tasted it before. Turn that up. This is pretty much done. Anyways, this is what our finished product looks like. The potatoes are cooked, the shrimp is cooked, everything is cooked, looks delicious, tastes delicious. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, share this video, leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed,
please do so, or think about it.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell and subscribe so you can support us.
Yeah, we'll appreciate your subscription. You know, every little bit helps.
Thank you guys so much.
Thanks for watching.
One love and peace out.